In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Evernote. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your workspace and make your note-taking experience more enjoyable. Whether you want something calm and soothing or vibrant and energizing, adjusting your background can set the perfect tone for your workday. Let's go through this process step by step. To get started, you'll first want to open the Evernote home screen. If you're not already there, simply launch the Evernote application on your device, and you should see the home screen appear by default. This is the dashboard where all your notes and shortcuts are readily accessible, providing you an overview of your ongoing projects and tasks. Once you're on the home screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner. Here, you'll find the Customize button. It's an often overlooked feature that allows you to tweak the appearance and organization of your Evernote space. Go ahead and click on Customize. This will open up a variety of settings that you can adjust. Next, you'll notice several options that allow you to personalize your experience. Look for the one that says Change next to the background image. Clicking this button is what will allow you to alter the default backdrop to something more to your liking. Whether you're looking to inject a bit of personality or aim for a more professional aesthetic, changing the background is a great place to start. Now, you'll have the option to choose an image. Evernote provides a gallery of images to select from if you want something quick and easy. However, for those who wish to have a truly unique look, you can upload your own image. Just keep in mind that the recommended size for an image is 2000 by 1280 pixels. And the file size should not exceed 5 megabytes. This ensures your background looks crisp and sharp without any unnecessary stretching or pixelation. Once you've picked or uploaded the perfect image, all that's left to do is apply your new background. Review your choice to ensure it complements your workspace as you envisioned. When you're satisfied, click on the Done button. And voila! Your Evernote home screen will now sport a fresh new backdrop, tailored to your preferences. Changing your background in Evernote can make your digital workspace more inviting and reflect your unique style. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your productivity and enjoyment. Thanks for watching and following along. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds until you find the one that truly fits your personal style. Happy note-taking!